There, this is Gabriela. Let's talk today about the traffic model. Okay, one of the questions they always ask me is how can I do it, or why is only a thing like directly click in my analytic and it's not organic, and those are the regular questions. The first thing is, if you are working with a website and the website is completely new, remember, Google doesn't have your specific URL with a specific keyword. And doesn't matter if you add it to the traffic model and then put some keywords in there, and you're supposed to have the organic from nowhere. That's not happen, okay? And that doesn't gonna happen. What I personally do is this. This is just a regular website, just to show you the sample. What I do, if I would like to show some organic traffic to my website, I'll go to the Google Search Console and check exactly what Google have from my website, okay? And the first thing is I go to the preference, and then here go to pages. Then go ahead and click on any of your pages, like this one. And if you see here, let's copy. I put it in here, and then put the line we needed, and then I go to queries. In queries, I see exactly how this URL is showing up, which top queries are definitely showing our URL. And this is one, if you see, have 11 impressions, 0 clicks, but I have impressions. That means this is something Google know how, this particular URL are with the start poppy keyword. Put comma, no space, and then I take the other one, no space, and then usually if they have 3 keywords, I use 3 keywords. Now the whole thing, I put it on the traffic model. Something really important, if I do this, I start a campaign for this particular URL with these particular keywords I'm using. In this case, I go and create a new campaign with this. It's better to have any URL you are working with on the traffic model. Please try to keep a campaign or different campaigns in the campaign area. And then I take the keywords, and these are gonna be the keywords I'm been using for this particular campaign. And then if I say start poppy, I'm definitely gonna create an account with this special keyword. Okay, this is the way I personally do. I hope this helped you a lot, and if for any reason you have an URL without any showing up here, please get one, try to put 2 or 3 keywords. Don't push too much, because it's gonna show up on the analytic like directly click, direct click traffic, no organic. And definitely what we are looking for using this traffic model, is the organic ones. Okay, I hope this helped us. to understand exactly what is the best way to work with a traffic model. Also, please let me know in here in the video area your questions. I'm gonna be trying to keep your answers anytime. You can also contact me via Telegram and via WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Until next time. Bye.